Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. The July stats are in for the Toronto Real Estate Board. And this July was our first full month that we were fully open. So a lot of people took advantage, either going away, taking vacations, enjoying a lot more patios. I know we did. Well, how did that affect the real estate market? Well, let's jump to the stats. Despite most people in some sort of vacation mode, demand for ownership still remained really high this past month. This July, we had almost 9,400 sales. This was actually a decrease of 14.9% when you compare it to July of last year. This may seem like a really significant decrease in the amount of sales, but you have to look where we were at just a year ago. During this time last year, we were just getting out of our very first lockdown, and there was a lot of pent-up demand because there was no real activity that happened between March to about the end of May. Therefore, we had a lot more activity in the summer months that we're used to seeing. And in fact, in July of 2020, we had 3,000 more sales than the average sale activity we usually see in July over the past 10 years. And if you look at this July, we had 800 more sales over the average sale amount over the past 10 years. So that tells me we are still in a really strong market. Okay, that being said, we know last year was a little bit of an anomaly. I still want to compare this July compared to last year and look at all major home types and see how their sales volume compared to the previous year, even though we know that was a crazy July. Well, all the markets in the major home types, except for one, had decreases in level activity. And can you imagine which segment that was? Of course, it is the condo segment. That segment continues to gain momentum every single month, and it is still the segment to watch moving forward. How did the level of activity affect average sale price? Well, once again, we reached over $1 million for the average sale price across the GTA, across all major home types. Average sale price this July was $1,062,256. This represents a 12.6% increase over July of last year. That's right, even though we had more activity last year, average sale price still went up over 12%. Despite all categories except for the condo segment having decreased in sales volume compared to last year, all major home types had increases in average sale price this July. Leading the way was the detached segment. With its average sale price of $1.4 million, this represents a 21.7% increase compared to July of 2021. And despite being the only segment that had increases in sales volume compared to last year, the condo segment only had a 6% increase in average sale price compared to July of last year. Its average sale price was $674,000. The market continues to see average sale price increase across all segments. And I think one of the biggest factor is the lack of inventory. Maybe it's because of the summer that a lot of people are either away, they're on vacation, maybe just because the kids are home. A lot of people are not putting their homes on the market. That being said, when is the best time for you to either buy or sell? And that, I always give the same answer. It depends. It depends on your area, your home type, and also your personal circumstances. So if you are thinking of making a move, it's best to reach out to me to find out what time works best for you. You can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the summer. Bye for now.